Whether you just want to spend your weekends riding along the Werribee River, going for a walk, or maybe just sitting at home and enjoying yourself. That just sounded wrong. That just sounded terrible. I must have a dirty mind. That's it just,
The part where Jonathon walks out.
Now she just wants the part where the good-looking agent just walks out. Okay, so this should be quick and easy now. My name's Jonathon Bird. If you'd like to... Hi, I'm Jonathon. Oh. I'm Jonathon Bird. Oh, hang on. I'm Jonathon Bird. Oh. Hi, I'm Jonathon from... I'm Jonathon Bird. I'm Jonathon Bird from Barry Plant, Werribee. Hi, I'm Barry... Oh, Barry Plant. This home, and it's killing me. It's freaking killing me. I can't get that break between caliber and stop, this size and caliber. Come through and have a look with me. Starting to melt.
Go eye level.
Like this. Finding a home. Oh, stop. Yep. Finding. Oh, yeah. G'day, mate. Want to buy a house? Wonder if they want to sell their house. Yeah. Give me a minute, I'll be back. It's an amazing townhouse located. I'm having a mental.
I think maybe you did.
Can we shoot that bird? Trust me, us birds don't shut up. And I'd like to welcome you to one of Melbourne's best kept secrets. Please don't break your neck. You're far too important to me for that. Just watch all the zits on my face. I've had a big weekend, so don't zoom in too much. Whether you're a homeowner, investor, or even an urban site developer, God, Wyndham Harbour has come through and have a look. God. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. Jonathon Bird, see you at this weekend's open. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Just a short walk to the Werribee River, because there's the Werribee River. Hi, I'm Jonathon Bird from Werribee River. I've lost it. Quality and what am I saying? Quality and quality. Benchmark for. Sounds like someone's on a mattress. whether it be, yeah, 16 Jetties Road. Oh, hands. Sorry, hands are all over the place. Finding a home in the heart of Werribee. Well, that's a wrap for 2019. I'd like to thank all the clients that I've dealt with throughout the year, obviously the previous years as well. Heading towards the end of my second decade in real estate, having an amazing time. Other than that, I look forward to seeing you all in 2020. I'd like to also thank my videographer, Belinda from BFM Media. She's told me that she's going to put together a bit of a blooper reel for you all to laugh at me. It's a bit of a fun game, real estate. We do have a lot of fun, so I thought you might enjoy this. Merry Christmas, and I hope to see you in the new year. Thanks for watching.